Here we are over in Burnley on a huge farm and surrounding areas, installing a Starlink. Here we've wired the Starlink down in where we've fitted the main Starlink router and connected up to a existing mesh system that covers the house. We've then come back out, followed the same route up to an outdoor access point slash bridging system, which enables full Wi-Fi all over the yard here and in that barn and that barn. And then from that bridge we've run a cable right the way along the guttering, just above it, wired down behind this downspout. Into some existing conduit that went under the floor to the shepherd's hut. We've come out there, drilled up from underneath and installed a Deco in there for its own separate network, getting speeds of over 250 megabytes per second out in the sticks. This is Aaron, Starlink installation.